Pyramid shaped hydroponic structure is used for gardening purpose also. Hydroponic gardening uses considerably less water than soil gardening. There are variations and several methods in gardening or hydroponic farming. In some, clay pellets, clay pebbles are used as base media or base layer grow medium. The growing medium is basically an inert substance that doesn't supply any nutrient to the plant. All the nutrition comes from the nutrition solutions in this kind of system. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium nutrients and macronutrients in a ready to use form are applied in hydroponic system. These kind of In hydroponics there are three major type of methods used. One is media bed technique, where plants grow within a substrate. Another is known as floating bed systems, where you can see plants are growing on beds and they are floating on water. The third one and the most commonly used is nutrient film technique, N.F.T टेक्निक. जी हाँ, ये वो टेक्निक है जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है, न्यूट्रिएंट फिल्म टेक्निक. इसमें जो है काफ़ी चौड़ी डायमीटर वाली यानी मोटी पाइप्स जिनको हम बोलते हैं, उसमें प्लांट्स ग्रो करते हैं